Hi, this is Kishore. Right now, Balaji Garu is going to unbox the amazing Even G2 smart glasses. Let's get started with the unboxing of the Even G2 smart glasses.
Box.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
Kishore, unboxing of even reality glasses.
In this video, we'll take a closer look at what's inside the box, explore the design and build quality, and check out the key features that make the Even G2 stand out from other smart glasses on the market. These next generation smart glasses come packed with an integrated display, AI powered features, and a sleek, lightweight design that blends technology with everyday style. Stay tuned as I am going to share my first impressions, demonstrates the display experience, and explains how the built in ambient AI assistant can help with daily tasks, notifications, navigation, and much more.
Black.